Hey Biryan, and welcome back. Are you dreaming of YouTube stardom, but feeling a little camera shy? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the future of content creation. We're going to explore 9 innovative, faceless YouTube channel ideas that are set to absolutely dominate in 2026. You need to show your face to make a huge impact. So let's get right into it. First up, interactive storytelling adventures. Think of a modern-day choose-your-own-adventure book, but for YouTube. You create animated or illustrated stories, and at key moments, you use polls or end-screen links to let your audience decide what happens next. This creates a deeply engaged community that keeps coming back to see how their choices play out. Idea number 2 is future tech explained simply. Technology is advancing at an insane speed. Create a channel that breaks down complex topics like quantum computing, gene editing, or advanced AI using simple animations and clear voiceovers. People are hungry for knowledge, but they want it in a way that's easy to digest. You can become their go-to source for understanding the world of tomorrow. Next, let's talk about AI-generated art journeys. Use AI art generators to create stunning visual stories or music videos. Your channel could showcase the creative process, documenting the prompts you use and how the AI interprets them. You could even take requests from your audience. It's a perfect blend of technology and creativity, and the visual possibilities are endless. Our 4th idea is virtual historical tours. Instead of just talking about history, take your viewers there. Use historical maps, archival footage, and 3D models to create immersive tours of ancient Rome, the Silk Road, or the battlefields of World War II. Your voice becomes the guide on a time-traveling expedition. Coming in at number 5, mindfulness and ambient soundscapes. The world is a noisy place, and people are increasingly seeking moments of peace. Create high-quality videos featuring calming nature sounds, ambient music, or guided meditation sessions paired with beautiful, slow-moving visuals like a serene landscape or abstract patterns. This is an evergreen niche that helps people relax and de-stress. Idea 6 is DIY and life hack animations. Instead of filming your hands, why not animate the process? Create short, snappy animated videos that show how to do cool DIY projects, clever life hacks, or simple recipes. These are highly shareable and easy to understand, even without sound, which is a huge plus for social media platforms. Number 7, unsolved mysteries and case files. People love a good mystery. Create a channel dedicated to investigating unsolved crimes, historical enigmas, or paranormal events. Use compelling narration, stock footage, graphics, and maps to lay out the evidence and theories. Your voice sets the tone, building suspense and drawing viewers into the investigation. Our 8th idea is personal finance simulations. Make learning about money fun. Create animated scenarios that simulate different financial situations, like buying a first home, investing in stocks, or paying off debt. Viewers can follow the journey of a fictional character and learn valuable financial lessons in an engaging, story-driven format. And finally, our 9th idea for 2026 is silent cooking ASMR. This one is pure sensory satisfaction. Forget the talking head. Focus entirely on the sounds of cooking, the sizzle of onions, the crisp chop of a knife, the gentle stir of a spoon. Use high-quality microphones and close-up shots of the ingredients and cooking process. It's mesmerizing, relaxing, and universally understood. So there you have it, 9 forward-thinking, faceless channel ideas to get you started on your YouTube journey. The future is all about creativity and finding new ways to connect with an audience. You don't need to be in front of the camera to build a massive, dedicated following. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next one. Let me know in the comments which idea was your favorite. See you in the next video.